Hello and welcome to the first section of Writing for Business. This section is called Introduction to Email Writing. It consists of 7 lessons. We're going to begin with email structure. Now in this lesson, you're going to learn the 5 parts that every good email should have, as well as some useful phrases to use in each part of that structure. Our second lesson is about the importance of subject lines in professional emails and how a well-written subject line can be the difference between an email being opened or being ignored. Lesson 3 covers email style. Now here you're going to learn how to use professional language and adapt to your level of formality depending on your reader. At times, you may need to communicate in a less formal style. In our 4th lesson, we're going to look at how to write informally in emails and in text messages. After that, we're going to take a look at 20 key phrases that you can use to make your written communication more professional. In this section, we'll also be looking at the use of abbreviations and how to read out your email address and website. Alright, let's get started with our first lesson, email structure.